this video, we'll take a look at installing Post using a Mastercam content file. You should receive an email with an attachment. You want to save that attachment to your PC. Then you can simply drag that attachment into your Mastercam window and it will install. You should get a successful message. It will look at how your Mastercam is set up and installed in the proper location. Once installed, you can go to your Machine tab in Mastercam and manage your list. Post should now be available. You can add it, and now it's available for use. Now, if you already have the Post installed, maybe you're receiving some Post edits back, you follow the same process, except for when you install the Post, you'll get a message that that file already exists. Since I want to replace the old Post with the new edited Post, I want to apply this action to all following conflicts and replace the original file in the destination folder. I'll get the same message. Now my Post is ready for use. Depending on the changes made to my Post, I may need to, in existing jobs, reload the Post. Just pick the same Post, and now I should be able to test my new edited Post.